Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me in my channel ASAP Andre Septian. Let's discuss about English. Okay, so how are you today? I'm really sure that you are okay all. And in this video, we will continue our discussion about present tense. Okay, let's start. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about don't or doesn't. Okay, don't or doesn't are usually used for negative. Jadi don't sama doesn't itu kalau misalkan mau mengucapkan kalimat yang negatif, yang artinya tidak. For example, saya tidak makan, saya tidak minum, saya enggak tidur, saya enggak mandi, saya enggak sekolah, saya enggak mengerjakan PR. Pokoknya yang ada tidak atau enggak. Don't is for I, you, we, they. Jadi I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. Saya tidak makan, I don't eat. Saya tidak tahu, I don't know. Saya tidak belajar, I don't study. Berarti kalau kamu tidak makan, you don't eat. Kamu tidak tahu, you don't know. Kalau kamu nggak belajar, berarti you don't study. And etc. We don't, they don't. And for doesn't, we have he, she, it. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Misalkan ayahmu tidak bekerja. Ayah kan he. Berarti he doesn't atau your father doesn't work. Work itu kan bekerja. Ibumu tidak masak. Ibu kan she. Berarti your mother doesn't cook. Okay, let's see the example. For the first example, I don't like coffee, but I like tea. Okay, so which one is the verb? Don't forget, dalam kalimat present itu harus ada verbnya dulu. Verbnya adalah like. Karena di sininya karena kita menggunakan I, maka makanya don't. I don't like coffee. Saya tidak suka coffee. But I like tea. Tapi saya suka teh. Take a look. The second example. Nah. So, which one is the verb? Ada verb go. Ada verb watch. Karena Shanas and I, there are two people, ada dua orang, kita makainya we karena ada I-nya. Gitu. Jadi kita makainya apa? Ya we use don't. We don't watch movie. Shanas and I go to SMB. Shanas sama saya pergi ke SMB. But we don't watch movie. Kami nggak nonton film. Next example, Ashley and Emily don't have breakfast because they are on diet. Mana? Which one is the verb? Nih, kata kerjanya nih. Salah. So, the verb is have. Because Ashley and Emily ada dua, berarti sama aja they. Maka kita makainya don't. Ashley and Emily don't have breakfast because they are on diet. Ashley sama Emily nggak sarapan karena mereka sedang diet. Next example. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. So my father doesn't work. Hari ini hari Minggu. Jadi ayah saya nggak kerja. The verb is work. Kata kerjanya work. Terus di sini ada my father. My father kan he. Maka kita makainya doesn't. So that's the example. Okay, so let's check wait a minute, let me erase first. Okay, let's check the dialogue. I have prepared 2 dialogue. Okay, let's see. Okay, I will read it for you for the first dialogue. So there are Jason and Paul. Okay, start. Do you want a cup of coffee, Paul? No, thanks. I don't like coffee. What about tea? Yes, please. Thank you, Jason. Never mind. Wait a minute. Okay, let's check. Which one is the negative? Yes, this is the negative sentence. Okay, this is the verb. Kata kerjanya like. Karena dia make I, maka kita menggunakan don't. Oke. Apakah kamu ingin secangkir kopi, Paul? Oh, enggak deh, makasih. Saya tidak suka kopi. Nah, saya tidak suka kopi. Kalau teh gimana? Yes, please. Thank you, Jason. Oh, ya udah nggak masalah. Bentar ya. Gitu. Okay. So, let's check the second dialogue. Wait a minute. Nah, there are Anne and Emily. Okay. So, let's check. I will read it for you first. Is your mother a nurse, Emily? Yes, she is. Does she work? Maybe there is on here, sorry. Okay, there is on. Nah, does she work on clinic? No, she doesn't. She doesn't work in the clinic. She works in the hospital. Suara saya jadi cewek sekali ya. Cocok sepertinya. Okay, so take a look. Which one is the negative sentence? Yes, she doesn't work in the clinic. Which one is the verb? Mana kata kerjanya? Kata kerjanya ada work. Because siapa nih she-nya nih? She-nya adalah Emily's mother. Ibunya Emily. Berarti kita pakai don't apa pakai doesn't? Makanya doesn't. Okay, no, she doesn't work in the clinic. Gitu. Apakah ibumu seorang perawat, Emily? Ya, dia seorang perawat. Does she work on the clinic? Apakah dia kerja di klinik? No, she doesn't work in the clinic. Dia bukan bekerja di klinik. She works in the hospital. Dia bekerja di rumah sakit. Okay. So, that's about negative in present tense. I hope you are understand all. So, I think that's enough for the video. Maybe if you still confused, you can watch again the video. And before we finish, thank you for your attention, guys. Don't forget to stay at home and keep healthy. Okay, see you again, guys. Bye-bye.